So L2's infrastructure-free 3D navigation technology is integrated with a service robot to create an intuitive and interactive indoor wayfinding experience that Danny is going to tell us all about today. Another adventure for our fun fact, Danny was actually a dragon boat leader. He said he's competed in over 100 dragon boat races, and in his prime, he was incredibly successful. So I would have loved to see one of those dragon boat races. I've seen them in the flesh. I know they're very exciting. And Danny, you must be very, very driven to be leading the way on a dragon boat. For now, let's jump into.
I'm still practicing this.
You're still He's still practicing. That's great to hear. Let's jump into VR experience and learn about what you're doing in the office now that we know a little bit about what you're doing outside of the office.
Actually, I do a lot of jogging every day, and also, doing some playing badminton. So thank you for your great introduction, Kelly. Hi, everybody. My name is Danny, and I work in L2 from Hong Kong. Our brand is VR Experience. Basically, I want to share with you about our advanced integration of Matterport wayfinding solution with a robot named Timmy. Do you think this is the way we implement the wayfinding solution? No, no, no. We are based on some mathematical models to build an algorithm powered by Matterport SDK to improve wayfinding experience of visitor indoors and outdoors. I can say this is a disruptive wayfinding technology. Timmy is a customer service agent in our client's mall. It provides remote customer service for visitor, which is developed by us. Visitor just take on the screen of the robots to communicate with a customer service representative through wireless video conference. We provide custom-made service for our clients to integrate wayfinding solution with the robot. A user can select their destination from the screen of the robot. A QR code will pop up. The user scans the QR code with her mobile phone. A 3D wayfinding path will be shown on the Matterport space of the mall. The user just follow the path to locate the destination. Is it cool? Even my mom, she is now 18 years old, can locate a shop easily inside the mall with the help of Timmy. The wayfinding option can be auto move or guided by a virtual robot like what I shown on the screen. Our client has some great idea about putting promotion banners for the shops inside the mall along the path. User can get some coupons and redeem them in the shop inside the mall. Normally, traditional indoor navigation using hardware like iBeacon or Wi-Fi router is costly. High hardware investment and maintenance cost is expected. Our wayfinding solution is a more cost-effective way to be implemented inside any big facility. Just put a QR code beside traditional digital signage or on a kiosk. Metaverse is a hot topic recently. We helped one of our clients to build a metaverse. Use their Matterport space to create a metaverse world. We help our clients to build a YouTube big screen on stage, build animated avatars, and even provide live stream broadcasts in the Matterport space. This idea is also great for retail industry. We are going to work with a big fashion chain store in Hong Kong to build Matterport digital twins for their shops. We will build a stage in the Matterport space for avatar fashion shows. Their KOL will introduce their products through live streaming. We also help a lot of big brands in retails to use Matterport space to enhance their brand's awareness. We help our clients to customize their portal based on Matterport space to reflect their theme and give their users a memorable customer experience. Client can replace maps in shopping mall with virtual guides and digital replicated retail store. complete with high-resolution imagery, branding, background music, product information, and buy buttons. Visitors can virtually walk around the digital store as if they are there in person and experience not just how it looks, but also how it sounds and feels. And when visitors tour the digital version of a store, they are often more interested in visiting the physical store. So we go beyond mere online browsing and purchasing and build a bridge between the two stores. Please visit our platforms to have a trial on our services. Our basic plan is free of charge. Our features include voice tour, synchronized move, shopping cart, comparison, hunting game, invisible meta tag, Shopify integration for e-commerce and navigation. Detailed instruction for each type of feature can be found from our help manual. Our pricing model is listed here. We also provide data analytics solution for our client. This is just a basic statistic. We also provide custom-made report for our client for understanding their customer behavior inside their Matterport space. We also welcome our clients to share their great idea with us, and we will provide custom-made solution for them. Thank you for watching my presentation.
Danny, great presentation. Just in the nick of time, you finished up. Thank you for that. There are so many things that L2, IO2, and the VR experience can do. Very impressive what you were able to cover in just 5 minutes. Again, drop your contact in the form if you'd like to learn more. Each one of our partners today has so much depth to their solutions and so much more than what we were able to see in just 5 minutes. I do have a question for you, Danny. So Tumi is actually a hardware product. Is this something that L2 owns? And how does a retailer go about accessing it? How do they manage it? How do they maintain it? Tell me a little bit more about it.
Actually, we partner with the Tumi producer. This is a very company, but they have a subsidiary in Hong Kong. So we partner together to provide the service. Tumi is an intelligent mobile robot. It is with AI built-in. It can recognize and follow when requested, save preset location, and navigate wirelessly around your facility. It is with a LiDAR and real-time sensors to ensure safe and fully autonomous navigation. Tumi is with SDK 2 in Android-based for developers, and it is very user-friendly to develop different kinds of applications. It can utilize Amazon Alexa as a voice assistant. It is not difficult to manage the system as this is Android-based. The procedure on maintenance is quite simple and straightforward.
Awesome. Thank you, Danny.